Okay, in this video we're looking at how to display time series data in a line graph. So on my left here I've got the data that I'm going to be using to put into a line graph. Okay, so what this data is collected from was the person that climbed a mountain. They climbed for 5 days and each day they reached a certain height. Okay, so with time series it's going to go over a length of time. So these are my days it's gone over, and I'm going to put in the days along the bottom of my axis, along the bottom there, and then the heights are going to go up the side there. Right, so the first thing we need to do is work out what is the scale going to be. The scale needs to be going up in an order that is in like skip counting. So I'm looking at my biggest number there is 46,000 meters. So I'm going to use a scale where I could drop it down. So if I see that it's all in the hundreds there, so 500, I could go up in 500, so I could go 500, 1,000, 1,500. So that's the scale I'm going to use. Okay, so skip counting is a good way of getting your numbers to jump. So you can go up in usually 2s or 3s if you're dealing with small numbers, but I'm dealing with quite big numbers here. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put my numbers up the side there. Okay, so I'm just going to start 500, go to 1,000, 1,500. 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500, and 5,000 meters. Okay, so there's my scale. Along the bottom here is going to go my time. Okay, the time that the climber is going to climb up the mountain. Okay, as you might have seen, these are all evenly spread. Okay, the same I'm going to do along the bottom here to make sure that all my time is evenly distributed the same. Okay, if they're not distributed the same, then they look a little bit out. So that's going to be day 1, that's going to be day 2, that's going to be day 3, day 4, and day 5. Okay, so you can see those are gone in there. Alright, so now we need to start putting our data in. So at day 1 we were at 500 meters. Okay, I'm just going to put a little X there. At day 2 I was at 1,200, so I'm in between the 1,200, so going up my length of where that is. Okay, I'm going to put that not quite in between, okay, but it's fairly close to in between 1,000 and 1,500. Okay, day 3 is 2,300, so going all the way up to 2,300, and that's almost in between as well. Day 4 is 3,200. Okay, so I'm going all the way up, put that in there. And day 5 is 46,000. Okay, so that's almost at the top. Okay, and then I could use a line to connect all my dots up. Okay, have I finished? No, I have not quite finished. I've got to do one last very important thing. I've got to put labels on. Okay, so I've got to label the actual graph. Okay, so meters, the climber climbed, meters, oh, read to that one again actually, title, meters climbed in over 5 days. Meters climbed over 5 days. 5 is horrible. There we go. Meters climbed over 5 days. Over the side here, that is my height. Okay, and that was done in meters. So I'm just going to put in brackets in meters. And then below, I'm going to put, that's my time. Okay, just over the side there. That's my time, and that was done in days. Okay, and there you go. So now I've labelled everything. I've got my data shown accurately, and yeah, that's how we do line graphs. Okay, so remember, make sure we do our scale evenly distributing and skip counting. Our lines, our little markers are all evenly plotted. We've used and put our data in accurately above where those lines are, and then we've connected them all up with a dot, and then our titles have gone in for both labels and the title of the graph. Okay, and then that's how we finish off our line graph. Good luck.